In this lesson, you will learn about natural and whole numbers. The natural numbers start from 1 and increase to infinity. The symbol for natural numbers is n. So we say n is equal to, we have 1, 2, 3. It goes on like that. It goes to infinity. Right? We don't have decimal fractions for natural numbers. It starts from 1 here, then goes to infinity. Right? And then what about whole numbers? Whole numbers start from 0 and increase to infinity. That's the main difference between whole numbers and natural numbers. Whole numbers are composed of natural numbers plus the number 0. Actually, we can say that natural numbers are a subset of whole numbers. Natural numbers are a subset of whole numbers.